How to fix in case your Epson WorkForce WF-2950 is not working. How to fix this printer, depending which problem you have, obviously the solution will be different. So I'll show you multiple solutions. The first one and the easiest every time you encounter an issue is to disconnect the power cable from the printer itself. Wait 5 minutes and connect it back. Many times this simple restart will fix many issues. If the problems persist, you can always factory reset the printer. Let me show you how it is done on this control panel. So you're going to press the home button, so we are all on the home screen. And then using the right side arrow, we're going to navigate until we get to settings. Then press OK. Now you're going to go down in this menu where you see Restore Default Settings. Highlighted and press OK. And now you can reset a few different things. Network is just for Wi-Fi, copy is just for the copy machine. But if you want to do a full reset, you're going to go down and select Clear All Data and Settings. From here, you're going to press OK. Select Yes and press OK. And now we're going to wait. The reset has been enabled. It takes a minute or two, and at the end I'll show you how it works. So let me come back when this is done. Okay, I got a message that just disappeared. It says completed, the restore has been done, and this is about it. You have completed the factory reset, and now you can set up this printer once again. If your printer had a Paperjam, in that case, there's a few places where you can check. You can push this panel up and check at the paper output. If there is a paper here with a pair of tweezers or with your fingers, you can take it out. You can also open, put your fingers over here, push this up and check inside of the printer for any stuck paper. Sometimes the paper will get stuck under this cartridge carriage. So go ahead and remove it. If you don't see anything wrong over here, there's a good chance that the paper jam is located on the back. By going here and pushing these two tabs, let me just remove this paper first. You can remove this. Sometimes the paper gets stuck on this wheel. Sometimes the paper gets stuck over here, so inspect it well and remove anything that is stuck. At the end, after putting back everything, I always suggest you disconnect the printer from the power source. Stay like this 2 minutes, plug it back, and the paper jam error should disappear by itself. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.